Okay, we've got to calculate the area of the shaded bit as a percentage of the area of the whole rectangle. Okay, so let's start with the area of the whole rectangle. So the area of the whole rectangle is pretty simple. It's just 19 times 16. 19 times 16, which is 304 centimeters squared. Okay. Now, the area of the shaded bit will be the area of the whole thing, that's 304, minus the area of this semicircle here. So, that area, the semicircle, will be half the area of the circle. What's the area of the circle? We need to know the radius. Well, that's 16, and that goes through the middle, this line goes through the middle of the circle, so the radius must be 8 centimeters. Okay, the radius is 8 centimeters, it's half of 16. So, area of the semicircle is, area of a circle is pi r squared, so the area of half of it is half that, which is half pi, radius is 8, times 8 squared, which is, 8 squared is 64, half of that is 32, so it's 32 pi. I'm going to leave it as 32 pi because we'll put in the value of pi at the last step into the calculator. Good. So, the percentage area is the area of the shaded bit. Well, that is 304, the whole thing, minus that, minus 32 pi. Okay, that's the area of the shaded bit. So we've got to express that as a percentage of the area of the whole thing. Area of the whole thing is 304. So that's just the fraction of that's the area of the shaded bit as an area of the whole thing expressed as a fraction or a decimal. To turn it into a percentage, just multiply by 100. And that's it. That is the answer. Stick that in your calculator and you get 66.93, and they want it to one decimal place. Well, to one decimal place, 3 leaves the 9 alone, that's 66.9 to 1 dp. Almost forgot, 66.9%.